This is my another project which comes in Ambabhavani colony. It is in Sambram College, MS Palya, behind Ambabhavani Devasana temple only. The site is 30 by 50 site and it is east facing, and we have given in each floor 2 BHK 2 portions. In ground floor, half of the portion is for parking and remaining half we have given it for 2 BHK. Now I will show you the sample of ground floor. This is the entire area. We have left it for two-wheeler and for four-wheeler parking purpose. Here we have given staircase in the starting itself. This entire area is for parking, and this one comes in north facing 2 BHK. This is the entrance of 2 BHK. This is the hall. There is a two sides window here, this side, and this side is another window. This one is an open kitchen. This is in a finishing stage, and here is the common toilet. There is a loft also for the storage purpose. Here there is another loft for the storage, and this is the toilet, common toilet, general, and this one is the master bedroom. Here we have given two windows for the ventilation and for the lighting purpose, so there is enough lighting here. Here there is a attached toilet. Here there is another one bedroom. This is the hall. The kitchen is open kitchen type. So this is in the ground floor. Now I will show you in the first floor. First floor we have given it as for owner purpose for 3 BHK. This entire comes in parking. This is the steps. This is a small balcony area. This is the entrance, east facing entrance, and this entire in the hall. This is hall cum dining actually. This area will be for dining purpose, and this area will be for living room purpose and everything. So here there is a small puja room, and beside that there is a kitchen. There are 3 bedrooms. This is one bedroom. This is the guest bedroom. So there is attached toilet here. There is a loft also for storage system. This is a guest bedroom, and this one is common toilet. This one is second bedroom. This one is master bedroom. There is a toilet here, attached toilet. There is a loft. So this is in the first floor. So in first floor we have given it for owner purpose. So owner needs a 3 BHK. So now we are entering in so this one is in second floor. This is a small balcony area. Here this one is a 2 BHK. This one we have given it for labor purpose to stay here. There is a staircase here. This is the balcony. This is a small balcony. This is one 2 BHK. This one is another 2 BHK. This is the main entrance. This one is the hall. Same what we have given it in the ground floor, the same is in first floor also. 2 BHK with hall. This one is open kitchen. This one is a kitchen room. General bathroom. These are 2 bedrooms. Same type what we have given it. Same 2 BHK.